Alright, well I picked this up a couple days ago. It's got a charging issue now. It's a 91 Dodge D250 two-wheel drive. It's got the Cummins 12 valve. Shut up, dogs. Not a bad truck. 5-speed. See. There we go. Good running motor. Got an air filter on there. This already has the silencer ring removed. It's got a Jacobs exhaust brake. It's a Jacobs X-Starter. It's not hooked up right now, but it works. I tested it with the best way I could. What else? It's got a brand new alternator, brand new voltage regulator. Still won't charge. Don't know why. See, there's the assembly for the exhaust brake down there. Okay. A rather unique sliding toolbox. Gooseneck. No tailgate. Rough paint. I only bought it for the motor because I'm putting it in that. But the engine has 152,000 and almost 116 on the clock. Let's do my favorite part. I already had it running a few minutes ago, only for a little bit. Wasn't really long enough to get full warmed up, so. Now it's got an injector knock. One of the injectors is not working, which makes for a real sucky start in the morning. But we're going to be ordering new injectors here in the next couple months. I'm not really going to be driving it, I don't think, that much, but you can hear how it's losing fuel at that high point. Turbo's nice and healthy. I like it. I like it a lot. But we're going to rebuild the motor and put it in that. That's going to be on an F250 frame. So I'm kind of stuck on ice right now. Alright, well, I just think I thought I would share that with you guys. See what you guys thought. Oh shit, the window. But yep.